Prime Minister Narendra Modi has politely declined an invitation from US President Donald Trump to visit Washington. The reason? His deep commitment to Odisha, the sacred land of Lord Jagannath. PM Modi shared this moment during his address at a massive gathering in Bhubaneswar. He revealed that while he was in Canada attending the G7 summit, President Trump personally called him and invited him to the United States. PM Modi expressed his gratitude but explained that he had already promised to be in Odisha to celebrate the first anniversary of the BJP's government in the state. He said his heart belonged to the land of Mahaprabhu and with full respect, he turned down the invitation. This phone call was significant because it was also the first detailed conversation between PM Modi and President Trump after the pause in Operation Sindoor, India's military action against the terror sites in Pakistan. PM Modi clearly told President Trump that the operation was paused only after a request from Pakistan, not because of any international pressure or deals. India has always maintained that it will never accept a third-party mediation, especially in matters related to national security and terrorism. While PM Modi couldn't accept Trump's invitation, he did invite him to visit India for the upcoming Quad Summit later this year. During his visit to Odisha, PM Modi launched development projects worth over 18,600 crore rupees. These projects covered vital areas like drinking water, irrigation, health, rural roads, national highways, and railway lines. One of the biggest moments was when PM Modi flagged off the first passenger train to Bodh district, fulfilling a long-awaited dream for the people there. PM Modi's focus was not just on big infrastructure. He also took time to honor local heroes, including Lakpati Didis, women who have built successful businesses in their villages. This was PM Modi's sixth visit to Odisha since the BJP came to power in the state last year, showing his strong commitment to the region's growth. His decision to prioritize Odisha over an international visit sends a powerful message about leadership, devotion, and staying connected to the people.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.